Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. 3 new Metabo cordless LED site lights recently hit the market. We saw them at the World of Concrete trade show. So we took these lights to our job site and we wanted to check them out, see how they worked. LED lights, they're just becoming more and more popular, and they're the only lights that we now use on our job sites. LED offers way more benefits, including a longer lifespan, better quality light, uses less electricity, and they operate so much cooler than incandescent and halogen lights, which is a fire safety hazard, as we know. So safety is important, and it's important for me and my job site, and one way to protect my crew and my subs is to ensure that, we provide a well-lit job site with LED site lighting and string lights and more focused work lights. From a working person's perspective, a contractor perspective, poor lighting on a job site can lead to mistakes, poor quality work, or even accidents if you can't see what you're doing. So during our evaluation, we specifically looked at 3 Metabo LED Site Lights. That's what they're called. The BSA 18 LED 10,000 light, the BSA 18 4000 light, and the BSA 12 to 18 LED 2000 light. All 3 of those lights emit different lumen, but have similar features, except the 10,000 light offers an AC/DC option, and the 2000 light can be run on 12 volt or 18 volt batteries. Now the name of them, like the LED 2000 light, emits 2000 lumens. Same thing with the 4000 light, 4000 lumens, and the 10,000 light is 10,000 lumens. The LED 2000 light also uses COB LEDs for technology, COB LED technology. And that produces true color lighting, which is ideal for contractors like electricians and HVAC people who use colored lighting. COB LED stands for clip-on board LEDs, and they're the latest and greatest, most advanced LEDs out there. They're brighter, they consume less energy, and they have a higher output quality beam of light compared to other LEDs. The 12 to 18 2000 light, also, it's super compact, it's really small, it's the smallest of the 3 lights. And it's ideal for tight places, small, compact places. The 18 LED 4000 light is also compact, but it's bigger. It's larger than its little brother. And then the LED 10,000 site light is the largest of the 3 lights. And it looks more like a panel light with a tilting base leg. It has a large surface LED and it provides bright, even light output. It's really bright. It also has an AC/DC functionality, allowing you to plug it in when you have power available or stay with cordless operation. We used it plugged in. All 3 lights, they have a center power button with an outer ring that actually rotates. It's a dimmer function. And there's a 5 LED battery gauge right next to that power button. When the battery gets low, the LED light will flash to just let you know that it's getting low. And all 3 of them are IP54 rated for high impact resistance, and resistance against sparks, dust, and water. We actually saw the drop protection in action on the LED 2000 light on one of our projects. It fell twice from 10 feet with minimal damage. On the second drop, one of the little base magnets in the base leg fell out. These lights have a USB port on all of them, which will allow you a max charging current of 1 amp, say for your cell phones or something. They all have swiveling stands with 5/8 thread tripod mounting. And the swivel stand base has integrated holes for, say, mounting on a wall or a ceiling with a screw or a nail or something like that. The 4000 light head can swivel 270 degrees, which is really nice. It has hanging features on the lamp base and on the housing as well. The 2000 and the 4000 have integrated magnets in their stands, and that allows you to mount it on something like a metal duct. We found the magnets worked okay, and they definitely just need to be stronger. It's a great idea, just needs to be stronger. And this is why we think the LED 2000 dropped twice. It was mounted on an HVAC duct, and it was bumped lightly. We didn't bang it, and it just detached. Now the swivel bases on these 2 lights can also be used to hook onto things, onto surfaces as well, or even tie some Romex or something and hang it. The build quality, impressive. From the adjustable bases, the swivel with the detents, it's got little click detents, to the dust and water boots, to the rubberized stands. The overall quality build of these Metabo lights is excellent. We were impressed. I also was impressed that the LED 10,000 power plug and the battery cover, they both have these, it has a rubber cap, and the battery cover has a rubber seal around the cover. It's completely enclosed. The LED 2000 Site Light will operate on both 12 volt and 18 volt slide-on battery packs, really nice. And you can expect a run time on this on high, 5 hours with an 18 volt battery pack, and you'll get, with a 4 amp hour 12 volt battery pack, you'll get 2.8 hours. The 4000 light will operate on high, on max setting, for 5.8 hours on an 18 volt 10 amp hour pack. And the 10,000 Site Light will only operate for about 2.5 hours on a 10 amp hour 18 volt pack. These lights operate on CAS battery platform. CAS stands for Cordless Alliance System Partnership. And 9 tool manufacturers of similar size with a clear focus on power tools have gone to the system, and it allows for 100% compatible batteries to be interchanged with other CAS manufacturing tools. It's the closest thing that we have to a universal battery platform. Some of the brands you may recognize are Metabo, Mafel, and Lamello. Now, room for improvement. We'd really like to see the magnets on the 2000 and 4000 lights to be stronger, as well as the runtime on all 3 lights to be improved to reach, give us a full day. This is LED technology. Give us a full day of light almost. All right, to conclude, the Metabo Site Lights, the output light is outstanding. It's bright. The design build is robust. It's built to last on a job site. We like these lights enough that they will find a permanent home in our crew and on our vans, and we'll use them on the job site. We just really want to see the magnets improved and maybe a little bit better runtime from Metabo. Highly recommended, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right there. I'm Rob Robillard. We'll see you at the next tool review. Take care.